Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we will continue activity book Science Year 3 on page 71. The title is Acid, Alkali and Neutral. For acid, if we test with litmus paper, red litmus paper will turn to red and blue litmus paper will turn to red. Okay, that is for acid. For alkali, red litmus paper will turn to blue and blue litmus paper will turn to blue. That is for alkali. And for neutral, okay, red litmus paper will turn to red, okay, no change, and blue litmus paper also stay blue. Okay, there's no changing on litmus paper for neutral. Okay, right. The question is, conduct an investigation to test the substance below using litmus paper. Write your observation in the space provided. Okay, there's a substance and change in the color of litmus paper. Okay, the first one is soap. Okay, red litmus paper will turn to blue and blue litmus paper will turn to blue. Okay, there's no change in blue litmus paper. So that is for alkali. Blue and blue. Blue and blue is alkali. Okay, second one, okay, facial cleanser. Look at here. Okay, red litmus paper will turn to blue and blue litmus paper, there's no change. Okay, blue and blue, so that is alkali. Okay, for soy sauce, okay, red litmus paper, there's no change, red, and blue litmus paper will turn to red, that is acid. Soy sauce is acid. Okay, acid, right? Acid. Okay, and then tamarind juice. Okay, red litmus paper, there's no change, red, and blue litmus paper will turn to red, that is acid. Okay, okay, cooking oil, red, there's no change, and blue there is no change, so that is neutral. And soya milk, red, okay, no change, and blue also no change, so that is neutral. Okay, soap is alkali, facial cleanser is alkali, soy sauce is acid, tamarind juice is acid, cooking oil is neutral, and soya milk is neutral. Okay, based on the result above, classify the substance as acidic. Okay, you write the substance. For acidic, soy sauce and tamarind juice. Alkaline, soap and facial cleanser, and neutral is cooking oil and soya milk. Alright, thank you.